Hello and welcome to the Cheap and Easy Cooking Show. Are you ready for today's episode? Let's get into it. On today's show, we will be making apple crumble pie. This is a cheap and easy recipe anybody can make. I use this butter because I didn't have unsalted butter. And this is the vanilla extract that I used. I got this from Dollar Tree, I think. Here's some apple pie spice. If you don't have the last two ingredients, don't worry about it. I'm gonna set my heat to medium. Now I'm gonna start pouring in my ingredients. I'm gonna dump in my flour. And dump in my flour. Hurry up. I'm gonna dump in my sugar. And my butter. I'm going to start to stir. I'm going to keep stirring and checking on my pan. I'm not going to walk away from it. So the stirring process should take about anywhere from 7 to 9 minutes. And you can see it starting to form. My crumbles are starting to crumble. I want to reduce the heat. And I'm going to keep mixing. You can see where it's starting to take shape. Now at this point, I'm going to add my vanilla extract. I'm just going to go ahead and throw that in. And I'm going to add my apple pie spice. And I didn't use a whole lot. I probably used maybe 1/4 of a teaspoon. After mixing it thoroughly, it should look something like this. Just a taste. That was good. All of these are simple steps. We're going to pour about half the crumbles from the pan into this baking pan, and the other half later. It's a very small baking pan. I don't know what size it is. We're going to break up our crumbles a little bit, spread them out evenly, and that looks just about right. Now we're going to get ready to pour our apple filling, our apple pie filling. Pretty basic, pretty simple. Just going to put it over the crumbles, dump out the entire can. Once we're done with that and we've emptied out that can, we're going to pour the rest of the crumbles right on top of the apples. We're going to spread these apples around evenly as well. Okay, that looks good. Now the rest of the crumbles. So I put about half of the crumbles on the bottom of the pan, and then next I'm going to put the other half of the crumbles right on top. I'm going to spread those around evenly as well. Very simple, very easy recipe. Just relax, bake, and enjoy. And that looks pretty darn good. Now we're going to pop this in the air fryer. That's right. I like using the air fryer. It doesn't heat up the kitchen. This was set on 360 at 16 minutes. Hey, no peeking. This was easy and I had to try make this apple crumble pie. And there you go. Apple crumble pie. Extremely easy to make. A lot of fun actually. And this pie came out great. And you know I gotta taste it. That's good. And there you have it. Thank you for stopping by. See you soon. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.